how do you feel about romaine?
That is lettuce. I've got Lydia and Anna Marie here with me.
What up, what
Well,
up?
bam. I'm gonna have Lydia record Anna Marie and me. What I wanna do is show you two patterns you can do, one that's a little more basic and one that is a little more advanced if you're there. So obviously you need a big space like this to practice this in. I don't recommend practicing outside. It's kind of icy, snowy. Be safe. That's the most important thing. Yeah, feel free to come here and practice whenever you want. First pattern. We do our change step, the step that goes down the floor. We're gonna dance this all the way to the corner, and this is when it's gonna get tricky. I do my box, and right away I do the inside turn that you guys just recently learned. I go past Anna Marie, and now I start the right box here. I go back on my left, forward on my right, and then I do just a regular left box, and I'm ready to travel again. We've got one traveling step. Front half of the rotating box, I do the inside turn right away. I meet up with Anna Marie, I finish that. Then I go into a right box, just for one. Then left box again, to go down the floor this way. And then we travel. Sound good?
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Change step. I go into the inside turn, finish my box, and then here is where I do a right box with rotation. I do a full right box. That's the tricky part. And then I go back to my left box, and I'm ready to travel. And then you can repeat the same thing down there. We can travel down the whole floor that way, and then do that whole inside turn with right box to transition.
All around the room.
Yeah, let us go do the more advanced one now.
Excellent. Let us.
For those of you who want something a little more advanced, who have danced waltz before, what we're gonna do is travel down the floor with a box. We're gonna take the corner with the right box, and we're gonna keep it cool and fresh.
Cool and fresh.
Whatever that means.
Love it.
Over rotate the left box.
Man.
Now we're really dancing. I do one change step, and then I do a over rotated right box. And then I do a reverse change step to get us back to a left box. And this is how we're gonna get around the entire floor. Change step to a right box. Reverse change to a left box. And that's the practice pattern. Left box is down the long leg of the floor. The right box is to take the corner. And then back to our left boxes. Bam.
Bam.
I think we killed it.
Woo.
Killed it.